limited minutes first 2 games, but now you were given a longer playing time. You took full advantage of it. What can you say about your game today?
I think I just tried to make the most out of this game kasi I wasn't able to help my teammates in those first 2 games. So my mindset going into this game was really just to give my all and really be able to be a good teammate to all of my teammates kasi we all work really hard in training and we all really sacrifice a lot to be here. So I think I just wanted to make the best out of everything we've sacrificed and just play my game.
So your injured teammates, how motivated are you to continue your fight day for the rest of the tournament in your push to make the Final Four?
I think we're really very motivated, like now more so even kasi as I said, we're not just playing for ourselves, we're also playing for the Ateneo community, we're playing for Zell and JLo, and I think that's really something that we can get our strength from. That's really something that we can keep working hard towards, is to just try to make the Final Four and help each other along the way.
Satisfying na lang yung makakuha ng isang panalo na this UAAP season.
Siyempre, sa sobrang daming nangyari, mga sacrifices namin this past few months, siyempre sobrang happy kami kasi nakuha namin ng isang panalo this season. And I hope this win parang maboost pa yung confidence namin and ma-work on pa yung kung ano pa yung mga kailangan namin i-improve sa skills namin. Since alam namin kung ano talaga kaya namin ibigay during the game.
Stepping outside of skills naman, meron kayong sports psychologist sa loob ng team, and yun nga, important din yung mental aspect. Siguro paano na lang nakakatulong sa inyo, especially nga parang ang daming unexpected na nangyari sa team this year.
Actually, very thankful ako kay Ma'am Juju, Coach Cam, kasi sobrang nandyan sila to help us like manage our emotions, and nandyan din sila na kung may kailangan kaming i-open up, like nahirapan kami sa ganitong aspects, nandyan lang sila para makinig and to help us kung ano yung pwedeng mga keys kung anong gawin namin.
And yun nga, nasabi mo nga na parang may mga negative emotions, pero ngayon, of course, positive kasama ng panalo. Siguro paano lang kayo hindi madadala na kumbaga sobrang maging masaya dito sa nangyari na to and then forget na mag-ready for the next moments naman?
Yun nga, sabi nga ni Coach na 1 game at a time kami. And of course, after nito, parang kailangan namin ulit mag-focus sa susunod na game since we have like a week to prepare. And syempre, dapat kung ano yung mga natutunan namin this game, madala din namin sa susunod na game and mas ma-improve pa kung ano yung mga kailangan namin i-improve.
Ano naman masasabi mo sa Ateneo community? Talagang so far this season lalo na talagang nag-show up sila for the team regardless of kung ano yung nangyayari sa
sobrang thankful talaga kami sa Ateneo community kasi grabe, as in grabe yung supporta nila ngayon, and hindi sila yung nagsasawang supportahan kami kahit matalo o manalo, nandiyan pa rin kami, kaya sobrang thankful kami.
Lian, siguro this season, out of all the players, there are more eyes on you din bilang the senior. But how are you handling the brunt of those expectations, particularly for this season?
Syempre as a senior and like last year na rin, syempre nandiyan yung pressure, hindi yan mawawala. But yun yung kinausap din ako na hindi ko pwedeng bitbitin lahat sa akin. Kasi nandiyan yung mga teammates ko to help me and lahat kami nagko-contribute. Hindi naman to like yung, yun nga sabi ko kanina, na one-man show lang. Na lahat kami, hindi kami star player, pero ang gustong tawag ko talaga sa team namin, parang star team talaga. Kasi pag buo kami, sobrang lakas ng team namin.
And all throughout din yung mga former Ateneo players, like from Vani to Eliza, grabe rin yung support na nila sa inyo. So, parang paano nyo lang ginagamit yung support na yun, even during trainings or during games na they're still rooting for you guys?
Siyempre, very happy kami kasi nandiyan pa rin sila kahit anong mangyari, win or lose. And we know kahit hindi sila nakakanood, siyempre busy schedules, nandiyan pa rin sila to support us.
Right?
Thank you.